Winter eco-friendly 11,000 BTU dual hose portable air conditioner, ARC110WD multi. 11,000 BTU, ASHRAE, 6390 BTU, SACC, cooling capacity. For operational modes, air conditioner, fan, dehumidifier, automatic mode. Digital and remote control with full thermostatic control, 61 degrees Fahrenheit 89 degrees Fahrenheit, 24-hour programmable timer and 4 fan speeds. Extendable exhaust hose, up to 47, and upgraded plastic window kit included. Max. Window kit length equals 47 min. Window kit length equals 20. Eco-friendly CFC-free Green R-410A refrigerant. Airflow, at high speed, 300 m3 per hour 177 CFM. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.